It's the Hillbilly on the YouTube channel. Oh, hell yeah.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Good morning to you. So we're heading back to Old Iron again. Thinking we're probably going to end up taking the Kawasaki today. It should be good to go. We haven't done much real tuning on it, but I did spend a lot of time working on it, and I was thinking, you know, we might as well take it with us. So anyway, we're going to take the ATC, we're going to take the woman, we're going to take some extra cameras this time and see if we can get a little bit more of the action. And it's right about time to get loaded up after a cup of coffee and a cigarette. So we'll see you when we're on our way. All right. Well, we're about to turn into the first bump of the day. First challenge of the day, we got unloaded, the bike fell over.
Oh, where'd I put it? I broke the clutch lever.
We drove all the way here, broke the clutch lever.
And I lost my washer, so, but whatever.
Well, we can get a washer. So we're gonna take one off of the Kawasaki because we don't need brakes where that's going. And we're gonna see if that'll work. It'll be this huge clutch lever, but so anyway, that starts our day off. For your first time being here, babe?
So far, so good. I haven't seen any racing yet, though.
Well, it's still early.
I thought they started at noon.
We're gonna be, it's supposed to be noon sharp.
TikTok. It's past.
So yeah, we're gonna be nice and dusty here pretty soon. We were fortunate enough to get right on the starting line, so that'd be kind of cool. Plus, I'm gonna put a camera down at the end, hopefully, with any luck. What you got going on, man?
A bunch of tape.
And cardboard.
Making it so you can block that light, huh?
Just enough. Working with what we got and what the kind people next to us notice.
Yeah, it's getting pretty packed out here. It's pretty cool. A lot more people this week than there was last week. I'll take a walk around here in a little bit.
All right, getting ready to do the kids races, and we're doing single elimination, and then it's the run what you brung between the adults and the big bikes and four-wheelers. So we'll see what happens.
So what do you think the luck is? Who are you gonna draw first?
I don't have a clue. It's whoever we call the line.
We're gonna try to stay in it for at least 2, right?
2, at least 2.
All right, well, then celebrate with a beer.
Yeah, as soon as I lose.
Well, here's the KX. It's gone down twice.
It's doing good. It's starting every kick.
Uh-oh. Don't jinx yourself.
Hey,
So you're in the racing then?
I'm in the race.
All right, game on.
Single elimination. You're out.
Well, at least you won't be here all night, right?
Oh yeah.
No problem.
I could give them kids 3-4 bike lengths. I'm still.
He gave it hell trying.
It's that walk of shame, but I was racing against a 500 that's built to the friggin' hilt. That was awesome though.
What was that, one and done for you?
That's the way it is with everybody, one and done.
So how you liking your first time?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Is it dusty?
I don't know. Is it?
We'll find out.
I know.
Oh yeah, look at this thing. good time. We
It's
had a
all
good
right.
time.
Didn't get my ass handed to me too bad today.
Well,
Didn't win nothing. But
didn't win nothing, but had some fun trying to do
I
it.
kept up with some of them.
KX did good. Got a little hot at the end, but you know, that's how we roll.
And shut the track down, so.
Looks like
That's
we're
it.
done for the day.
Don't get stuck!
Oh, let you take it. He will. He'll let me.
You know, it builds the confidence.
Hillbilly, huh? Oh, hell yeah! Oh, hell yeah!
Oh, hell yeah!
Oh, hell yeah!
Oh, hell yeah!
Oh, yeah, hell